Hi Libra, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. If the message does resonate with you, Libra, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign, as well as check the general energy reading, which I will be leaving the link down below in the description box for June 2020. Alright, so the first card that came for you here is the Six of Cups, followed by the Death card and the Queen of Pentacles. So you could be dealing with a Scorpio or with someone with a strong Scorpio in the chart, as well as Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So with this Six of Cups coming up here, Libra, the first message that I'm getting here is definitely there is a strong soul connection between you and your person here. The Six of Cups is also an indication towards me that this could indicating a reconciliation here, as well as a strong past life connection between you and your person. With the Death card here, I'm definitely sensing a strong reconciliation. A new beginning will be coming up between you and your person here. And the Queen of Pentacles here, I'm seeing like your person has gone through so much of transformation here. Like they are currently becoming someone who is grounded, someone who is mature here. The next card that I've got for you here is the Ten of Pentacles here, Libra, which is again a really good card, an indication of reconciliation, a good omen when it comes for love reading and relationship reading here. This Ten of Pentacles is also an indication that happy home, happy family, being fulfilled in finances as well as emotionally here, Libra. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the King of Wands. You could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The King of Wands is also for me is an indication of someone who has a strong passion towards you here, Libra. Could be a little bit stubborn and hot temper as well. Yeah, I've got the World card here coming up for you. So I do feel like your person is definitely has gone through so much of transformation, as well as yourself here, Libra. So I do feel like this the World card here basically an ending of something, a completion of something here. So I do feel like all this hardship that you and your person had gone through in the past is definitely coming up to an end. So whatever next coming here, the because the World and the Death card is basically an indication of a completion and a new beginning coming up for you here, Libra. So I do feel like here whatever the hardship that has gone through in the past has definitely completely coming up to an end here. So whatever coming up next for you here, this new beginning is definitely a reconciliation, you know, like a strong soulmate connection, as well as a happy home and happy family. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here, Libra, is the Three of Cups, which is again an indication towards me for those of you who could be in a third party situation here. I do feel like your person has finally left their karmic here to be with you here, Libra. And the next card that I've got for you here is the Wheel of Fortune, which is really a good card again to get. So yeah, what I'm seeing here, Libra, is definitely a change of event, a turns of event coming up for you here, Libra. Like the Wheel of Fortune is definitely changing in your direction, bringing you lots of new beginning, bringing you lots of positivity here, Libra. Yeah, the next card that I've got for you here is the Knight of Wands. So yeah, I do feel like your person has definitely ended this karmic contract that they have with their karmic here, with whatever third party situation that could be dealing with. And once they ended that situation here, they're coming towards you in this Knight of Wands energy. You know, like they're coming towards you with lots of passion, with lots of fire energy here. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the Lovers card, which is again an indication of a divinely guided partner to be in your life here, Libra. Let's see what else comes up next. Yeah, I've got the Star card. You could be dealing with an Aquarius or someone with a strong Aquarius here. So definitely something has come to an end. So then this person is coming towards you in a really fast moving energy. Again, the Chariot card is definitely a positive card here. You know, like things I do feel like your person is just now coming towards you at the light speed, you know, like really fast speed here. I do feel like they've learned their lesson, they've done their healing here, as well as you, Libra, with the Star card here. I do feel like both of you during this separation had gone through so much of emotional healing. I do feel like your person has learned their lesson, like they finally realize what is your worth and they finally like regretting for leaving you for this third party situation here. The next card that I've got for you here is the King of Swords. So again, you could be dealing with another air sign here, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. But with this King of Swords, this is basically an indication that you and your person has gained clarity here, the clarity that you needed here, Libra. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is, wow, the Four of Wands. So this is basically an indication of celebration, marriage here. And with the Lovers card, the Six of Pentacles, and this Four of Wands, I'm definitely getting like the Four of Wands itself is my personal twin flame card here. So some of you could definitely dealing like having a strong twin flame connection going on here. Wow. The next card that I've got for you here is the Ten of Cups. So you're definitely going to get your wish fulfillment here, Libra. You've got the Ten of Pentacles here and the Ten of Cups coming up twice. So this is definitely an indication that this is what you've been manifesting here. The Magician is coming up here. So this is basically what you've been manifesting. A reunion with your person here, and it's definitely coming up here, Libra. You've got both the Ten of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups coming up together. So this is basically an indication of being fulfilled both emotionally as well as financially here, like all your dreams coming true here, Libra. The next card that I've got for you here is the Eight of Pentacles. So I do feel like during this separation, you and your person have been putting so much of hard work within yourself here, Libra. And the bottom of the deck here, I've got the High Priestess, which is the sign of Pisces. You could be dealing with someone with a strong Pisces in their chart. The High Priestess is also an indication towards me that you are really highly intuitive here, Libra. So you could be you basically like have this sense of knowing that this person is going to come towards you, you know, to reconcile with you, basically to approach you in the month of June here, Libra. Let's see what else comes up for Libra, please. Yeah, I've got the Nine of Swords here, which is an indication of anxiety, trouble sleeping, over worrying. So I do feel like this is basically like you and your person had gone through so much of feeling anxious, feeling like, you know, like lots of over worrying, lots of trouble sleeping here basically in the past year, and both of you have decided to actually put work into yourself to let go of this feeling here, to let go of this anxiety here. I do feel like some of you could even still be in this energy, you know, like some of you could even be having trouble sleeping at night here. And I do feel like this is one of the challenges that you need to overcome here, Libra. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here, Libra, is the Fool card, which is an indication of a new journey that is coming up between you and your person here. Definitely lots of a new journey. 2, 10, 10 of Cups and 10 of Pentacles coming up for you here, Libra, which is definitely a really good card to get. The only thing that I would say here, especially when you got the Magician earlier here, which is actually an indication towards me that you have the power to manifest anything, everything you want in life here. And I do feel like the reconciliation, the reunion between you and your person here is really close. Like it's already coming up close here. Again, I've got the Four of Wands coming up here. So definitely a reunion for those of you who are actually in separation with their twin flame here. And the next card that I've got here is the Sun card. Wow, so this is definitely all good card I've got for you here, Libra. I do feel like this is also the continuation of the June general reading that I've done for you here, which is showed a 4 aces coming up for you in that reading. I will leave the link down in the description below so you can check that out also if you haven't. So I do feel like, again, lots of happiness. The Shan is going to come towards you to, you know, like to bring all this happiness, to bring all this reunion coming up towards you here, Libra. You just basically need to let go of feeling anxiety, you know, like basically you need to let go of feeling over worrying, you know, like doubt and all this fear that you might be feeling here, Libra. And I feel like at this point of time your mindset should be on positive things only. Your mindset should be actually you know, focusing on the positivity here. I've got the Justice card coming up for you, so you're coming up as in your reading here, Libra. Definitely you're going to get the justice that you needed. I do feel like some of you definitely, like your person or you yourself, could be dealing with the legal system here or legal issues here. For those of you who are dealing with the legal system or legal issues such as you know, like separating from your person, a legal separation or something like that here, Libra, I do feel like this is definitely going to go in your favor. So all in all, there is definitely a karmic justice coming up between you and your person to bring reconciliation and reunion for you here, Libra. And I've got the Empress card here, which is an indication of pregnancy coming up here, Libra. So for those of you who are currently with your partner, Try to be careful, use extra precaution, especially if you don't want to have children, because there is a strong indication here that that some of you could actually have kids, could actually be pregnant here in the month of June, Libra. All right, we're going to close up the reading with an advice card for you, Libra. Let's see, advice for Libra, please. Yeah, I've got the star card coming up here again. So you could be dealing with someone with a strong Aquarius here. The star card is definitely an indication of healing here, Libra. I do feel like both you and your person have done tremendous healing here, Libra. And then this star card is coming up for you as indication that once you have done your healing, this is the reward from the universe coming up to you, like rewarding you with this reconciliation here, Libra. The next card that I've got for you here is the Ace of Swords. So definitely a communication coming up here, a communication that the line of communication will be opening for you and your person here, Libra. And this communication is going to bring lots of clarity, lots of honesty. This is basically going to bring closure to you here, Libra. The next card that I've got for you here is the Queen of Cups, Libra. So you could be dealing with water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But overall, I do feel like you and your person have this strong emotional bond, like really strong emotional bond, a really strong soul connection here between you and your person here, Libra. I'm definitely seeing a strong past life connection as well for you and your person here, Libra. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the Temperance card. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius or someone with a strong Sagittarius here. But this temperance card is basically an indication towards me that you basically just need to stand in your power here, Libra. Like basically do not overthinking, do not over worry at all here, Libra. This temperance card is also an indication towards me that the angels and the universe are working on your behalf. So we are going to close up the reading with a channel message from your person here. Let's see what comes up. Yep. So the message that I've got for you here, Libra, is I know I made a mistake. So I do feel like some of you, your person know that definitely they've made a mistake for leaving you, for definitely for those who are actually involving in a third party situation here. I do feel like they definitely understand that they have made a mistake on that, and they're definitely sorry for cutting out the communication. Basically, they are really sorry for whatever went down between the two of you here. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here, Libra, is trust in the divine timing. So definitely things are going to happen in the divine timing for you here, Libra. This is definitely one of the most amazing reading that I've done for you, Libra, and definitely a continuation for the June 2020 reading, the general one that I've done for you. So that's it for your June 2020 reading in love. I hope the message resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Let me know on how this message resonates with you. I'll see you in my next video. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.